Good afternoon. Today I'm here to present the presentation about the business analytics and intelligence. First of all, we start with the introduction. The new economy powered by digitalization and knowledge-driven industries has transformed the manner in which companies operate and compete. Unlike the traditional brown economy, where the focus lay in intensive utilization of physical products and industrial growth, the modern economic landscape is hallmarked by innovation, agility, and data driven decision making. In this context, business analytics and intelligence have become to the forefront as imperative tools for companies to manage uncertainty, optimize operations, and remain competitive. The presentation outlines the crucial function of business analytics and intelligence in enabling business capacity and to transform and thrive in the evolving marketplace. By leveraging real-time data, predictive modeling, and optimization techniques, companies can make improved decisions, reduce costs, and understand consumer behavior and respond proactively to marketplace dynamics. The reflection draws on primary academic literature and an actual case study of demanded analysis, profit optimization, and forecasting using quantitative tools such as quadratic equations and Excel solver. The discourse also reveals that how scenario testing and forecasting methods can inform strategic planning, pricing, and inventory control by integrating tools like trend analysis and seasonal indices. Companies can make better sales projections and schedule operations in accordance with these. Overall, this project highlights the strategic value of business analytics in achieving sustainable growth and long term profitability in the era of the digital economy. Now we'll move to literature review. The literature review presented illustrate the evolving role of business analytics and intelligence in the new economy and its transformative impact on various industries. Brozowski attracts enterprises discuss the trend towards automation and digitalization and how it helped firm to cope with rising operating cost, regulatory pressure, and potential labor displacement by making smart data driven decisions. Zaidan enterprises focus on knowledge intensive sectors where intellectual capital takes center stage. In these sectors, analytics serves to track market trends, support R&D, and identify valuable tangible assets. Silva observed the telecommunications contribution towards global interconnectedness, highlighting the need for real-time analytics to enable companies to respond promptly and to the foreign market dynamics. Rane provide a discussion of analytics in e-commerce, highlighting how analytics enhances customer intelligence, inventory management, and sales forecasting, all being crucial to competitiveness in electronic intelligence, inventory management, and sales forecasting, all being crucial to competitiveness in electronic markets. Finally, PIDA illustrate how companies are leveraging analytics in order to reach sustainability goals, monitors emissions, optimizing resource usage, and ensuring environmental conformity. In total, these papers illustrate the fundamental importance of business analytics and importance to catalyze innovation, operational efficiency, and strategic agility, supporting companies in being relevant and sustainable in the information-based globalized new economy. Now we'll talk about some business analytics functions. Business analytics functions plays a strategic role in the new economy by enabling data-driven insights that maximize all facets of organizational performance. Its most official role may be dis- decision-making. Analytics tools convert raw data into actionable intelligence, allowing businessmen allowing businessmen and to make informed decisions that reduce risk and align with strategic goals. Effective functioning is another key benefit since BA attacks process inefficiencies and eliminates handoffs. This leads to saving cost, optimized resource management, and streamlined behavioral patterns to enable the firms to offer more bespoke experiences and have solid relationship with their customers. Business analytics also support market responsiveness by using forecasting techniques to foresee trends and variations, allowing business to react prior to the onset of changes with appropriate products or services. Finally, business analytics derives performance through on-time measurement of performance through KPIs, benchmarking, and dashboards. This helps organization track progress in real time, improve strategies, and ensure long-term development and sustainability with a competitive data-driven environment. This is the graph which justifies the demand of quadratic functions. This graph illustrates the inverse relationship of price and demand. A global rule in economics: as prices increases, the demand for the product decreases. As indicated from the negativity sloped line, this trend resembles consumer behavior. Increased price discourages buyers, whereas decreased prices encourage buyers. This graph aids companies to recognize how price sensitive their customers are, which will help them to make more informed pricing decisions. Proper interpretation of the relationship is crucial to optimizing profitability by way of strategic pricing and demand planning. This is the table of data demand analytics and price optimization. This is the quadratic demand function which was used to represent the relationship between demand and price. This derived equation helped the ascertaining the optimal price that would result in the maximum profit using the Excel solver. The first table derives market analytics, in which optimal demand with cost reversal of £24 and optimal profit with cost reversal of £5. Again, we interpret the analysis of how profit changes with different cost and price conditions. First of all, at a price of £46 45 pence and £20 cost, the optimal demand is 214.06 units with a profit of £5,662. If the unit cost increases to £24, then the same price results in a lower profit of 4,805.75 pence, indicating cost sensitivity. Conversely, when the price drops to 5% and the ideal price drops to 34.75 quids, demand increases to 437.62 units with an increased profit of 13,019.13 quids, establishing the price below £43 at a price of £5 per unit in a price reversal problem solved. Excel bar solver results in a great demand. Now, forecasting analysis. This graph shows a time series decomposition of quarterly revenue between 2017 and 2023. It comprises four quarter moving average and central moving average to smooth swings and identify trends. The revenue is divided into trend, seasonality, and random error terms. Deseasonalized removes seasonal effects and trend shows the general trend. Forecasting sales for 2024. This is the table which derives the quarterly breakdown of estimated revenue, both trend and seasonally. The time column is the number of periods per quarter. The trend shows a steady increase in revenue from Q1 to Q4, stating that starting at 4622.6 in Q1 and finishing at 4821.03 in Q4. The seasonality reflects the seasonality factors affecting seasonal fluctuations are more pronounced in Q3. The forecasted revenue is the collection of the effect of trend and seasonality, since Q3 would have the maximum forecasted revenue of 7,451.3, followed by lesser amount of Q1 and Q4. And lastly, we have to conclude by saying that the integration of business analytics and intelligence into the emerging economy is necessity for business to survive the intricacies of the markets of today. Solutions provided by business analytics and intelligence enhance decision making, improved operational effectiveness, and enhanced customer understanding, all of which enhance long term growth and competitiveness as business innovative and go digital. The ability to analyze huge data and forecast trends allow them to react rapidly to emerging market situations. The use of analytics in automation, knowledge industries, globalization, e-commerce, and sustainability illustrates the widespread impact of its influence, enhancing strategic decisions as well as business processes day by day. So that is all from my presentation. Thank you all.